Hey, how are you doing?
Mbote, sango nini?
Bonjour, comment ça va?
Hello and welcome to AOK, your English training partner. This channel is made especially for French and Lingala speakers who want to learn English step by step, from the very basics to advanced levels. Here you will find easy lessons in English, French, and Lingala, clear examples to help you understand quickly, fun practice activities to make learning enjoyable, step-by-step progress from beginner to advanced. Our goal is simple: to help you speak English with confidence in everyday life, at school, at work, and when you travel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our content so more people can learn English with us. Stay with us, lesson by lesson, and you'll see your English grow every day.
Lesson 1, greetings, salutations, mbote. English, hello, how are you? French, bonjour, comment ça va? Lingala, mbote, ndenge nini? Examples. Try to repeat with me to help your pronunciation. Hello, how are you? Bonjour, comment ça va? Mbote, ozali malamu. Good evening. Bonsoir. Mbote na pokwa. Now try this simple dialogue. Asher, hello, how are you? HBK, I'm fine, thank you. En français, bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. En Lingala, mbote, ndenge nini? Nazali malamu, matondo. Challenge. The challenge of today is to greet 3 people in English, French, and Lingala.
Thank you for watching. See you in lesson 2.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next class. Merci d'avoir regardé. N'oubliez pas d'aimer, de partager et de vous abonner pour plus de leçons. À la prochaine classe. Matondo na botali. Bomika kisa, bopesa like mpe bosambi sampo na kozwa masomo mingi. Toko monana na litezi ya sima.